Hello, welcome. Again, we are solving GATE 2025 Aerospace Engineering paper. Question number 38 is a general aviation airplane is initially in steady and level flight. The stability coefficient curly Cm by curly Q. Cm is the airplane pitching moment coefficient and Q is the pitch rate is negative. The airplane is perturbed with a small nose up constant pitch rate. Assume that the horizontal tail does not stall during the perturbation and unsteady effects are neglected. When compared to steady and level flight condition, which of the following statement is are true during the perturbed motion? Option A, the angle of attack of horizontal tail increases. Option B, the contribution of the horizontal tail to the airplane's pitching moment about the center of gravity is more stabilizing. C, the lift generated by the horizontal tail increases. D, the contribution of horizontal tail to airplane's pitching moment about the center of gravity is less stabilizing. So here this is the schematic diagram. So this is the front part and this is the nose, this is your tail, and for curly Cm by curly Q to be negative, lift is in this direction, BW is in this direction, and pitching moment is this. So ultimately the moment is clockwise when we view from our side. So clockwise moment is generally taken as negative, so curly Cm by curly Q is your negative. Okay, so now when the nose is up, the tail will be down and tail will be in, like this position. Initially it is in this position, now it is in this position, and angle of attack will increase. This angle will increase. Okay, so this angle will increase, so it means this is angle of attack. So first result, well, we can conclude it, this will result in increase in angle of attack of horizontal tail. So option A is correct. The angle of attack of the horizontal tail increases. Okay, and second is this will result in increase in lift. As angle of attack is increasing, so lift will also increase. Okay, lift will increase and drag will decrease. Angle of attack as more is alpha, more is CL, more is lift, so lift will increase. So it means lift generated by the horizontal tail increases. Okay, and now this lift will be here and it will cause a counterclockwise movement which will balance this clockwise movement. It means this movement will provide a stabilizing effect. Okay, so this increase in lift will provide a counterclockwise movement about CG, which will stabilize the clockwise movement provided by the wing. These are the these movement due to lift and W and M, which are clockwise in direction. So they will be balanced by counterclockwise movement of tail. So it will provide a stabilizing effect. So answer is option A, B and C. The angle of attack of horizontal tail increases. The contribution of the horizontal tail to airplane pitching moment about the center of gravity is more stabilizing. The lift generated by the horizontal tail increases. So all three are first three are correct. Fourth is not correct. It means answer is option A, B and C.